Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be learning the missing numbers and color all of them. Let us get started. This is 1. What comes after 1? 2. Number 2. This is 3. What comes after 3? 4. Number 4. This is 5. Number 5. What comes after 5? 6. This is 7. Number 7. What comes after 7? 8. Number 8. This is 9. Number 9. What comes after 9? 10. Number 10. This is 11. Number 11. What comes after 11? 12. Number 12. This is 13. Number 13. What comes after 13? 14. Number 14. This is 15. Number 15. Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers and finding the missing ones. Let us read them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thank you kids. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.